6 News, the weather authority.
Well, good evening and welcome back in. The top story for us here tonight in the weather department is the tornado watch in western Kentucky that goes into place until midnight tonight. Severe weather well to our west at this point. This watch goes up to about I-65 corridor at this time. And again, it ends at midnight tonight. Nothing past that yet. Don't expect to get much out of this, but there is the opportunity for a couple of strong storms. The best threat is going to remain in that watch zone and that level 2 risk area in the yellow shaded and even in the orange shaded regions. As this cold front comes in, we have a level 1 risk here mainly across the bluegrass here tonight as we go into the overnight. That's going to be for all the same threats of wind, hail, and possibly some isolated tornadoes. But the thing is that these storms are going to be weakening as they work towards central Kentucky. Eastern Kentucky, you guys might not even get any rain out of this deal if these storms shrivel up before they make their way through. Here's the line of storms right now, even some confirmed tornadic warnings up towards the Chicago area, a few more that have come and gone through central parts of Illinois as they cross into Indiana. Most of the severe threat has stayed there for now, but there's more storms developing along the flank of this cold front here tonight, and that's what we'll be keeping a close eye on. A closer view shows we've got some sunshine poking through, but more high clouds are working in. For the most part, Evansville has a strong thunderstorm warning in place right now. Nothing else showing up yet. Let's track these out on Futurecast so you can get an idea of the timing. This is actually a pretty good timing overall from Futurecast as it comes in. 7 p.m. we're almost there. That's about where all those storms are lined up at. So Futurecast is right on the nose with this, and that means that we won't see this line of storms till closer to 11 p.m. Even then, watch, this is the 11 o'clock. We go ahead 2 hours. The storms are almost gone. So weakening quickly as they make their way into more stable air here in central and eastern Kentucky. A few showers into eastern Kentucky that shrivel out for us quick. We have more cloud cover and some strings of showers possible as we head into Thursday, but colder air wrapping around could turn some of that over to maybe a little bit of rain and or snow shower activity for us as we go through throughout the day tomorrow. Wind advisory for us there as we go into the rest of the evening tonight until 11 p.m. That's what we're going to see for all the counties in tan. Wind gusts over 40 miles an hour. That's outside of the thunderstorm threat. Watch future winds here. Bring the best chance for 50, maybe 60 mile an hour gusts within the thunderstorm activity around midnight tonight. That's going to be the outside of that advisory. And then we go into tomorrow with gusty winds still out of the west to southwest. The cold front not fully tapping in until midday tomorrow. That's going to take our temperatures down quickly. Gusts upwards of 30+ miles an hour bring a blustery day for the first day of spring. By Friday, we'll finally see those winds settle down a little bit, but temperatures are going to be way different than what we had. We almost made it to 80 in Harlan and Pikeville. We had 72 in Lexington. Warmer to the east, cooler to the north and west. Tomorrow is the first official day of spring. The equinox 5:01 a.m. tomorrow morning, but temperatures are going to go from spring to winter. 40s throughout the day, throughout most of the day. On Thursday, those temperatures are going to fall all the way down even into the upper 20s as we go into early Friday morning. Then it's 50s and near 60s the rest of the way into the weekend. Another chance for showers and possibly some storms late Sunday night.